Hi, my name is Max. Today I'll be helping you on how to create an electronic signature using your smartphone. Let me show you how to create e-signature and how to apply it. First, simply create your signature. And later I'll tell you what application is easy to use. Once done, you can go ahead and attach that right away on your file. This is cool because this will save you from trouble and you don't need to print out the document just for your signature. Now, let me show you how to do it. Let me introduce to you Photolayers. This is free to download, and this will only use up less than 5 MB of your phone memory. If you have existing background remover application, that would be a great help too. And by the way, I hope you're still with me. We're almost done, okay? Please keep smiling. Using background remover application, we need to produce a transparent image. And if you're new to this kind of application, I'll strongly recommend you to watch my second tutorial. You can check the link on the description box. I have a question for you. Do you have an idea how to produce a transparent background? Yes, exactly. By means of erasing the entire image. Great job. So easy, right? I'm just going to save this. And we can proceed on the next step. Our next step. Just open your phone gallery and edit the transparent image using paint option and make sure to use pen, not the paintbrush. From here, you can take your time and enjoy until you make the right signature of yours. Once you are already done with your signature, of course you can save it. Hold on. I'm just going to create a new signature. I'm not okay with the first one. Alright. So I think this one is better. I'm just going to click save for the final step. For the final part, let me show you how easy to attach the signature or how to layer it. As you can see, yes, I am still using the same application to finish this tutorial. I will layer or attach the signature to our sample document with JPG format. This is the sample document I need to have a signature. Just click the add button from the upper part. And this is my signature to attach. Okay. Almost done. Okay, save. Now, checking. Perfect. Good job. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell. Thank you. Oh, I almost forget. Yes, you can also use this e-signature to a PDF files. I hope to see you next time. Bye for now. And keep safe.